Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a DaVinci Resolve if it's not responding or if it's crashing. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, most DaVinci Resolve crashes occur when the software overtaxes your graphics card or struggles to utilize it properly. Now, to fix this, if you can open up DaVinci, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. Again, if you can just open it. If not, just wait, okay? Okay, once it's opened, just go ahead over to the top, click on or hover over Help, and then just type down Preferences. Okay, go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and find at the top, make sure that you're under System and Memory, also GPU. Okay, and all you got to do in here is just ensure that the GPU processing mode is correct. Okay, maybe it should be set to CUDA for NVIDIA and OpenCL or even Metal for AMD. Okay, so for example, you have unticked this one. Maybe you have two graphics card. Again, for AMD, you'll use OpenCL or Metal. Now for NVIDIA, use CUDA right here and select your specific graphics card. Okay, after once that's on, just click on Save. Wait a bit, click on OK. Now go ahead and restart the DaVinci Resolve and check if it helps. If that still won't work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down Graphics. Click on Graphics Settings. And then in here, go ahead and find DaVinci Resolve. Okay, if you can't find it, go ahead and click on Add Desktop App. All right, so we are going to need the directory. So go ahead and find on your search bar, DaVinci. Open file location right here. Right click on it again. Click on Open File Location. Now click on the directory box. Right click and copy. Close this one. Paste it right here. All right. Click on this Go icon. I got to find DaVinci Resolve. Okay. Or just Resolve. This one. Click on Add. Scroll down a bit and you'll find it. Click on this drop down and make sure that you set it to high performance and your specific graphics card. Okay. Now, once that's done, just close this one. This time, run DaVinci Resolve as an administrator. Click on Yes, and there will be a pop-up. Wait a bit, and it should work now. Now, if that still won't work, if you have, or if you're using a, what do we call this? A virtual adapter, okay? So just right-click on your start menu. You can click on Device Manager, okay? If you are using, again, a virtual adapter, disable it from here. Now, let's say you have it under display, right click on it and disable it. Okay. Again, if you have a virtual display adapter. Now, a recent surprisingly common cause for freezing right here under Resolve, most specifically on startup, is a conflict with Python. Now, if you have Python in your system, try to uninstall it. Okay. Again, just uninstall it. Just right click on your start menu right here, click on Installed Apps, find Python, click on the three dots, uninstall it. Or if you rely on Python, ensure, okay, again, just ensure that you update to the latest version as this resolves the scripting interface. All right, and there you have it. Those are the ways to fix DaVinci Resolve if it's not responding or crashing. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.